Are you aware of the mistakes you might make when calculating the inverse of a matrix? How to verify your result? Check your solution with a scientific calculator. It's a fantastic alternative. After the procedure, I'll discuss the most common mistake. Proceed directly with these step-by-step instructions, using the following example. To enter a matrix into the calculator, the following setup is required. The matrix has 3 rows, with 3 columns. It's fabulous to use the calculator to verify your results during exams or academic assignments. Back to the main point, the number 1 error? Trying to invert non-square matrices. And you, what mistakes have you made when calculating a matrix inverse? Share your errors in the comments to help others avoid them. Support us by becoming a member and spreading the video.